Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss logging into your MIC or Member Information Center account and updating your information that will appear in the annual Lifestyle Owasso magazine /directory. First thing, if you got the email and you have the link, you can log in that way. Or if you're just going to the Chamber website, you can go to owassochamber.com and then come over here on the homepage and click on Member Login. When you get to this login screen, you're going to put in, typically it's your email address that is your username, and then the password will be whatever password you had created when you set up your account. If you forgot your password, there is now a link so that you can do that, and then you should be able to create a login as long as your email address is attached to an account. If not, then you'll have to contact us to have us add you. But anyways, if you receive the email, then that means that you are attached to an account and you should be able to log in from that email link. So once you get logged in, this is the screen that you will see. This is the home screen here of the MIC. And then over here on the shortcuts, you're going to click on Company Information. And from here, here's all of your organization information. There's going to be the company name. This is the name that will appear in the directory, the primary phone number, the fax number, and then the primary representative's email address. So that may not be your email address. It's just going to be the email address of the primary contact on your account. So if you're in a larger organization or if there's someone else in your organization that needs to be the main contact, that email address should show here. If you don't want an email address listed in the directory, then you can just remove that. And then here is your website. You can even click here to verify it and make sure that it's linking to the correct site. And then down here on the address information, it's going to be the physical address that is pulled into the directory. Over here, you might notice this mailing address is grayed out. If you have a separate billing office or if you have a PO box, that might show over here. If you're needing to edit what is showing in here, the only reason that's grayed out is because it's being pulled from this other field. So that's just telling you that if you need to correct something there, you need to correct it from where it's being pulled from, or, you know, obviously you just uncheck it if your mailing address is different than your physical address. And then down here, this is where you can tell it whether or not to use this contact information on your public member webpage. That's your page from the Chamber website. And then if you want to update any of this information down here, you can as well. Your billing contact should show up here. This will not be pulled into the directory, but while you're here, you might as well go ahead and check it and make sure that you've got the right billing contact in there. And then you can even choose if you want to receive print invoices, email invoices, or both. And then just make sure that if you've made changes here to always click Save Changes before changing pages. The one bad thing about the system is that it does not give you an error message if you make changes and you don't click Save before leaving. It will just not remember your changes and it will let you leave the page without giving you any warning whatsoever. So the next thing you want to do is click over here on the employees. If there is anyone in your organization that you need to add, if you think they might need into this system, you can add them here just by clicking on this button. If there's someone that you notice in here that is no longer with the company, you just check the box and then you can deactivate them. Right here is where you want to check and see who is listed as your primary. So you can see for us, it would be me. When this goes to print in the directory, if whoever is listed as your primary is not the person that you want listed as the primary, what you're going to want to do is, like, for example, let's say that we're going to change this from me to Gary. So down here, we're inside my rep page. So we're going to take me off primary contact, okay? We're going to save that. I could use the back button, but I want you to see how we got back over there. So we're going back to company, we're going back to employees, and it's even giving us a warning. There's no primary rep assigned, okay? So now we're gonna go into Gary's account. And so we're gonna come down here and we're going to make him the primary contact. And we're going to save that. And as you can see, oh, look at this. Oh, cool. Okay, well, there's a shortcut I didn't know about. So you don't even have to go through all of that. You can just click on that thing to come back to the screen. They do neat little updates all the time, so they're always surprising us. Anyway, the next thing that I want you to do after you've verified this is, oh, I didn't mean to click on website, but just so you know, you can make sure that everything that's being displayed on the website is what you want displayed by updating this page here, and then you can even click here to go to your actual page on the website. But what I really want you to do is go over here to the categories, and you need to verify that you are listed in the correct category. The system does not allow you to edit the category, so if there is something incorrect, you will need to contact us to have that fixed. Everybody gets one free category with your membership, and then if you want an additional category, you can add that to your annual membership. It's $25 per year per category. We have several businesses that have 3 or 4 maybe extra categories that they are listed in, and so it's $25 a category. So for 4 of them, for example, that would be an additional $75 per year added to your membership. And if anyone is interested in that, you'll just have to contact Fayreen to get that set up. And then if it's not close to your annual renewal date, we can prorate that for you. Okay, so the next thing, sorry about that, I hope that doesn't actually show up like my emails and stuff. Okay, anyway, underneath categories, you've got the additional information. This is the final thing I need you to go to. There is this question here, what is your main reason for joining the chamber? If you will go ahead and answer this for us, that does help us in reporting, but it's not necessary for what we're doing today. But I do like to see those completed because it helps us as we plan new programs and things like that throughout the year. But what is really important right now is to come down to this 2016 data verification complete. You just put your cursor in this box, and when you click on it, the calendar will pull up. You just choose today's date, click Save Changes, and then that tells us that you are done. We're able to pull a report based on everyone that has not completed this section. So if you don't want us harassing you, then it's best to go ahead and get this date checked so that we know that you have verified your account information and that you're good to go. And that is everything. Thank you very much.